Hello, my name is Blake, and today at Rainbow Chefs Academy we're going to make a very easy, simple thing that is called alligator berries. Today's mise en place, which means everything is where it's supposed to be. We have some strawberries, some blueberries, a yogurt, and whatever else you would want for decoration. Today I'm going to show you a very easy strategy that you can use to be safe when you cut. So you take whatever you're holding, which for in this case would be a strawberry, you would go like this where the green is, and you hold it like a claw. So then when you cut it, it's nice, easy, and safe. Let's do it again for this one. And yeah, that's all. So first what you need to do is get the yogurt that you have and pour it like this in the middle. This is the alligator swamp. You don't need that much. Now that you have the alligator swamp, you get the 5 strawberries that you cut into pieces, and you take one and you can design them however you want, how you want it, like this. So you put the first one that looks like a head in the front here. You would take the other one that kind of looks similar to that, and you put them in the back here. So these would be the eyes. You take 2 blueberries that you have, and one eye. So then you want to get the final one that looks like that, and start the trail behind. So then neck, and then you want to get the rest of the pieces, and then just add the tail. You can design them however you want. Doesn't matter, you can make it leading this way. It doesn't matter that much. And then you have your alligator, but you still need to add the design. So you take some of this. You can do this in any part. Take some of this and then you put it on the side to add design. So then now you have alligator. You have an alligator. So yeah, thank you for watching and bye.